Hey guys, welcome back to the Divas Official channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unoxidize these headlights right here. This is a Toyota model. So yeah, this is the ingredients that we're using. We need something that has you need toothpaste and brush, gloves, towels, and yeah. So this toothpaste, you need toothpaste that has baking soda. So yeah, guys. So right now we're gonna take a bit of toothpaste right here, and we're just gonna, spread it around in a circular motion. You see here, you can just get some more toothpaste and spread it all around nice and evenly in circular motion, so that you can all get it. So that all just spreads like that all around. Make sure I cover all the sides. So guys, now we're just going to take a little brush right here and scrub it in a nice circular motion. If you have a Dremel, you can use a Dremel, but if you don't have one, then yeah. But if you do have one, you set it to a low speed because you don't want to burn out your you don't want to like break your headlights. So yeah. So guys, this is the after result of the cleaning. Looking sweet. These lenses looking clean, nice and clean. So yeah.